RollingStoners. There's a little guy, a big guy actually. That's a warthog. Behind the warthog is their babies. You just can't see him. He looks like he's coming around the back. There they are. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Wildlife scramblers, I call them. That's a pretty good find. I like that. What do you think?
Yeah, that's amazing.
First time. You. Okay. Get out. I've never seen a warthog or an elephant. And you guys are missing.
We don't
tours. You got to jump on our tours, man. And because it's South Africa, it's not you at all. So get rolling and let's take tourism and the cannabis culture seriously. So all you people in the Canadian marketplace that belong or buy from the 3,900 dispensaries, you know what to do. Ling's coming for you. Be ready, and she's also going to raise funds to help protect our natural heritage, which is going to be your next tour. Keep rolling. Don't just follow us, don't just like us, don't just share us, just love us. Thank you.
An endless journey, both day and night. The music keeps motion, the road is my pen. As mountains rise high, met with cloud and rain. My days keep on moving, they're never the same. Beaches, desert, fields of green, nothing's ever what it seems. Rolling stone, open your road, let your mind follow. Rolling stoner, let's sing, let's dance this Renaissance. The wind in my hair, thoughts in the air. Every step is change, every moment rare. Out here in this open country, we learn who we are. Rolling stone, open your road, let your mind follow. Rolling stoner, let's sing, let's dance this Renaissance. Blow the leaf, so things change. Let's be the spark, let's light the flame. Yeah.